So as you know, the module of the lights is behind the glove box, by the fuse box over there. So if you want to search the any wire or any source for the blinkers for the lights, when you unlock the system, I think you can use the module there inside there. Okay, let's continue. So the only problem I found was this switch, the main switch of the car. When the key is inserted into the switch, some lights remain on, like the one on for the parking, the ones from the inside the door panels, and the glove box, and some other lights. So the thing is, after 2 days park my car into the garage, it will drain the battery. It doesn't start because of the battery, and it was because of this, because the key was inside the switch all the time. Even the car was locked from the alarm system, the switch will tell the security system to let these lights on all the time. So what I did, I installed a relay. You see the relay there? So I installed the relay in the two wires that goes to the two wires that goes to the switch. I bypass one of the wires. You see, I bypass one of the wires with the relay and connect that. You see the wire, the white wire from the relay. I connected to the ignition 1 and ignition 2 wire. So because when I turn the start stop button on, it gives power. It connects again these wires from the switch and let the security system of the car, the EWS3, think that the key is there and let start the car. Otherwise, if it thinks the wires is not there, of course it won't let the car start, the security system from the car. Okay, so that was the only thing. I had to install this relay. That's easy to do. Now you know how to do it, so no big deal. The other problem I found, it was the brake pedal. In order to start the car with the start button, you had to press the brake. But the signal from the switch of the brake is just a signal. It doesn't give me a 12 volts or a ground signal. So I had to take this wire, the blue wire, and go all the way to the back to the brake lights and connect it there to the positive one on the brake lights. That was the solution, the easy solution for me, and connected to the pedal. So when I press the pedal, the alarm system thinks the brake is on, and then it let me start the car. Otherwise, it won't start. Okay, so that was the only two problems I found: the switch and the brake pedal. Okay, so let's continue. Let's start the car, so you will see everything works good. Press the pedal, start the switch, and it runs. It runs very good. I tested for 2 days already, and everything is working perfect. Everything is good. The only thing I had to do is put all the wires inside, connect everything, put the antennas. I put one of the antennas here, and the GPS sensor. That's for the radio. And then I found this hole over here. You see the hole over there? You can see it better from here. You can put the alarm system, everything inside there. There is a hole there, and it will be very good there if you put it there. you had a place there to put everything. That's the antennas. One goes here and the other goes here. I'm gonna put it there. The antennas for the unlock and lock system when you approach the car. So I'm gonna put everything together, and that's it. Even if you put the switch together to the original one, nothing happened. So you can do that if you want, but I don't have the space here. So if I put everything here, the cover of the steering wheel won't close. So I just gonna push everything in the back. Everything in the back there, so I had the space. Okay? So that's it. So good luck with your installation. Take care. Bye-bye.